Nani was a pro Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, and my mom was a pro Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. So I used to end up watching both, and I did not have an opinion because I used to enjoy watching any.
Any
She
memorable
also
characters?
memorable, all of them. I think Komulika, I cannot
हाँ,
never forget
Kamalika, something like this.
with
Yeah,
the hair and
yeah.
her makeup on point. And then there was obviously Mihir Virani, who, like, you know, Mihir Virani के जो तक comeback हुआ है, like rebirths, right? It really fed us the delusion that you can't really die in life. And imagine being 8 and then you see your actor coming back to life so many times. You think that okay, मैं भी मर के वापस ही आ जाऊंगी because you don't have any sense of world at that time, right? So मिहिर को देख के मुझे भी लगता था कि okay, you know what? Even if I die, I'll come back like 10 years later and
death
surprise
is a temporary thing. 2 days के लिए
everyone.
death होती
Yes. Also age, right? Because कोई भी no one aged in those shows, even though like 20-year leaps happened, 30-year. There was a bar in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi who lived up to like 108 years. And
Hmm.
then they killed her. Like by the time I only became a teenager, उसके बाद बा मरी थी, I think. Till then, she was also alive in the show. And nobody aged. Tulsi looked that same age throughout. She became, I think, a grandmother at 30, and then the grandkids also grew up, and then she was 40 and she still looked the same. So fully, like, age was a delusion, death was a delusion. We had nothing to worry except mother-in-laws in those serials.
Do you
है.
remember this character called Gomzi? Gomzi Virani.
गौतम
Gotham
विराट.
Virani.
Gautam, उसका nickname था Gomzi. And there was music also. Oh,
I
oh,
remember.
oh, 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 something like that. He had a background music dedicated to him.
Yeah.
Whenever
There was also an illegitimate child, no?
Ansh Gujral.
Oh, yes,
वो
and then she kills him, na?
बैंड,
Yeah,
वो जो था आका नहीं, स्काई वाटर, क्या नाम था उस बंदे का रियल लाइफ
Yeah,
में?
yeah, Sky only. His name was
स्काई
Sky.
वाटर कुछ
Big
ऐसा ही
Boss
था.
later.
हाँ.
my favorite show of all of them was Kahin Kisi Rose. It started from 11 to
Good.
11:30. Ramola Sikand,
Kamola Sikand.
Molly Ganguly and Yash Tong were there. It had suspense element to it. It was a thriller.
But
And
it used to come late. It used to come at 11
yeah,
in the night. 11,
yeah.
11:30.
So
Yeah, it was past
until
our bedtime.
Acha, मेरे लिए 11:30 was a bedtime. Yeah, and even Kasauti, I think, was progressive for that era. It brought into
Yeah.
mainstream pregnancy, unwed pregnancy, and other
Yeah.
things.
उसमें
And even
वो अनवेट
living
प्रेगनेंसी थी
in
बस.
with Bajaj, Mr. Bajaj,
Yeah.
with fake,
Premarital sex.
yeah, fake white hair.
Yeah. I used to find Mr. Bajaj very hot. That's when I
Did,
मिस्टर
realized
did,
that
बजाज कौन था? रोहित रोनित रॉय.
I mean,
Yes.
looks wise also definitely he was also more settled and he was rich and all that also. Na?
हाँ
So I
हाँ
used to find him
हाँ.
yeah,
very that,
विरान.
like I was that's when I
like a
realized
sugar
that he
daddy.
was like a sugar daddy, yeah.
Yeah, that's when you realize you're into older men.
The man.
Mm.
When I watched Mr. Bajaj on screen.
Did you
I didn't
find
find it.
did you find a Mr. Bajaj in your real life?
Not yet. The search is on.
प्रेरणा तो मिल ही गई थी तुम्हें वो देख के.
Wait, yeah.
मुझे बाबुल सुप्रियो को आई लाइक्ड हिम नॉट फॉर दिल ने दिल को पुकारा फ्रॉम
Yeah,
कहो ना
but for
प्यारे बट चाहत के सफर में हो.
दिलों
I,
के फासले में
I see this one is
किया
best.
तो
ये यही
कर
रख लो.
टूट. ये
हाँ, हम लोग तो मतलब अंताक्षरी में we would sing all the songs of
But she did have a legacy of really beautiful songs
yeah
throughout. Even Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, that intro video was very sweet. Where she does this and then she does this. ऐसे वाला.
yeah. Pop culture biggest reference of कहानी घर घर की is this. कोई भी ऐसे करता है तो उसके ऊपर कोई आके ऐसे और फिर कहानी घर घर की कहानी घर घर की.
कहानी
So,
हर घर की कहानी घर घर की. There was also Tulsi versus Parvati, na? The people used to
हाँ.
have opinion on that also. कौन सी better बहू है?
Who was the
अच्छा.
better bahu according to you?
According to me, none. But I think I would choose Tulsi.
Why
She was
Tulsi?
थोड़ा badass in between. Like she killed her son and all, na? That Ansh
चिल्ड्रंस.
Gujral.
हाँ.
Yeah, that's a big move for Indian television.
For normal life also, killing
Yeah,
son. For this to be a concept, for this to be in the story.